we have Maharashtra's Home Minister Anil Deshmukh putting in his papers, resigning within hours of the Bombay's High Court, asking the CBI to probe into a preliminary inquiry, and that inquiry is to take place within 15 days into corruption allegations made by Parambir Singh, the ex-cop Parambir Singh, putting in allegations against Home Minister Anil Deshmukh that he had asked for this hafta, these, bribery, amount of bribes to be taken from bars and restaurants. Those are allegations that were made by ex-policeman Parambir Singh, that he was asked to collect money to the tune of 1 crore. So 2 to 3 lakhs being collected by these bars and restaurants. So that inquiry, the preliminary inquiry within 15 days that has been ordered by Bombay's High Court, the CBI is to hold that inquiry within 15 days. The CBI has been given, in fact, the CBI can now register an FIR, allegations that were made by Parambir Singh. We have a tweet by Anil Deshmukh. He has put in his papers, Maharashtra's Home Minister. This is Anil Deshmukh's resignation letter that he has, that he will now be submitting to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. So, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will be meeting Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, who has just put in his papers. Anil Deshmukh resigns within hours of the Bombay High Court asking for an inquiry into charges and allegations made by Parambir. We have Purva Chitnis joining us from Mumbai. Purva, what details do you have for us?
Well, in fact, in this entire matter where, if you remember, an exclusive letter was written by Parambir Singh, who was the ex-CP of Mumbai, the Commissioner of Police, and then he was transferred to Home Guards, and post which he had written a letter alleging corruption, where he had said that in the entire matter of Sachin Warde, there was also, he had put in an allegation against Mr. Anil Deshmukh of, where allegedly Mr. Anil Deshmukh had asked for 100 crore from the police to be, from police, and asked them to collect 100 crores. So that is the kind of allegation that Mr. Parambir Singh had put on Anil Deshmukh. And this matter was being heard in Bombay High Court. Now, if you remember, Mr. Parambir Singh had also gone to Supreme Court over this, and Mr. Parambir Singh to go to Bombay High Court, and Bombay High Court heard this matter last week. And to
right, Purva, we'll just come back to you. We have, in fact, Nawab Malik speaking. Let's just listen in.
ये आदेश आने के बाद गृह मंत्री स्वयं अनिल देशमुख जी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष पवार साहब से जाके मिले। उन्होंने इच्छा जाहिर की कि ये प्रीलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी चलते हुए मैं अपने पद पे नहीं रहना चाहता, जिसको लेके पार्टी ने निर्णय लिया कि वे मुख्यमंत्री से जाकर अपना इस्तीफे के बारे में इस्तीफा दें। और पार्टी ने मुख्यमंत्री से विनती की है कि गृह मंत्री का इस्तीफा स्वीकारें। इस्तीफा देने के लिए स्वयं गृह मंत्री जो अनिल देशमुख जी हैं वह मुख्यमंत्री के घर गए हैं। पार्टी ने विनती की है कि इस्तीफा स्वीकारा जाए। हमें आशा है कि इस्तीफा वे स्वीकारेंगे और निश्चित रूप से जिस तरह से आदेश आया, स्वयं उन्होंने कहा कि ये उचित नहीं होगा कि मैं इस पद पे रहूं, इसलिए वे इस्तीफा देने का उन्होंने मन बनाया था, जिसे पार्टी ने मुख्यमंत्री से विनती की है कि इस्तीफा वे स्वीकारें। After the order of Honorable High Court on the allegation of ex-Chief Police Commissioner, the High Court has given an order for preliminary CBI inquiry. After the order, Home Minister Anil Deshmukh ji has met Mr. Pawar and party leaders. He has said that I don't want to remain in my chair because the inquiry will be there. Party has accepted his willingness and he went to tender his resignation to Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Party has requested to the Chief Minister that he should accept the resignation of Anil Deshmukh ji. मुंबई हायकोर्टाचा निकाल आल्यानंतर जे परमवीर सिंगनी आरोप केले होते की सीबीआय द्वारे प्रिलिमिनरी इन्क्वायरी झाली पाहिजे.
All right, so that announcement being made by Nawab Malik of the NCP, where he has said that the Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has resigned on moral grounds. In fact, the letter, Divya, that we'll show on the screen in just a short moment also uses a very interesting word. It says that because a probe is on, that is why I do not want to continue as the Home Minister as the probe is on. And it says that I'm doing this because of Naitik Drishti. That means on moral grounds. Now, obviously, this will lead to political questions being asked as to where these moral grounds were when these allegations were first made. And questions were first asked by Parambir Singh and then by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Does the Home Minister at this moment of Maharashtra fear an adverse assessment or investigation by the Central Bureau of Investigation because of which he has done damage control as of this moment? Remember, it's going to be politically explosive, this decision. Why was a delayed decision or a delayed invocation of invoking morality so late? Why was that? Why did that happen? But having said that, it's a huge embarrassment for the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi, where a decision has now finally been taken that the Home Minister resign. Now, what really was the allegation against the Home Minister? The former chief of the Mumbai Police, Mr. Parambir Singh, had alleged in a letter written to the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray that he was asked by, in fact forced, Sachin Waze was forced by the sitting Home Minister, that is Mr. Anil Deshmukh, to extort money, to carry out extortion from bars and restaurants, and they were all given a target of 100 crore rupees per month. The Bharatiya Janata Party went a step further and saying, just imagine if this is one cop, then how many other cops were told to do the same? At that moment, we saw that Sharad Pawar, the chief of the party, of the NCP, he rallied behind Anil Deshmukh. He said that no, he was in a COVID facility, he was under quarantine, and thus he could not have had this meeting that Parambir Singh is talking about. Then there were certain documents that the BJP presented showing that Anil Deshmukh was not under quarantine. In fact, he was traveling around freely, in some cases even hosting press conferences. This led to a huge embarrassing situation, but Mr. Pawar powered on and made sure that Anil Deshmukh stays. So he tried to brazen it out. What really has happened between now and then that finally this decision has been taken? Of course, on the face of it, it is being presented as a question of morality. The fact that only today, this morning, this afternoon in fact, the Bombay High Court has ordered for a preliminary initial investigation by the CBI and they have to submit their report in the next 15 days.